Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna create neon lights. Other designer are use it in text, but we are gonna put it around an image like a snake. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Alright, first of all take an empty layer, then click on type tool. Just click and drag it. Now click on direct selection tool, adjust it. Select pen tool again, right click on it, click on stroke path. So in this tool section you have to select brush and check this box, click OK. Now you will say I want to change this size or color, so you have to click on brush tool. Here you can change the size and hardness, softness, and here you can change the color. Now go to path section, delete this path layer. Pull the opacity. Now go to blending option, click on outer glow. Here you can change the color, opacity 100%, the size 40, and click on OK.